I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I 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 need it!
That's the perfect time.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening!
For Mini 4 Pro.
Back feeling great, guys. Had my back blown out by a squat rack.
This is the RC2.
Controllers, basically the same thing. This Mini 4 Pro does have how much longer of a range?
It's 20 kilometers, and the Mini 3 I think was 12. It's got a nice
little ridge.
ergonomic little.
Let me see, let me get them both, man. Weight difference, unconfirmed.
Yeah, confirmed.
Hello?
Hello there.
Same here. Oh. Yeah. That's the Mini 3. Fly more kit, fly mo. Yeah, this is gonna be a funny unboxing video.
Yep.
Unboxing for eggs. Comes with. So here's the drone all wrapped up in this beautiful, nice wax paper. Self-healing, actually. This is an aftermarket strap. The Mini 3 Pro, we don't have a, oh wow, look, our sensor has a crack in it. Do you notice that?
What?
There's a crack in there, the Mini 3 sensor.
I don't know. Huh. Surprise.
Huh, that's crazy. Don't mind this. DJI, don't please criticize us for putting our logo on it. You can see both of these basically virtually the same. Oh, what is that? Who knows?
No way. No way.
Pretty sure it overheated. No way. So on the front of Mini 4 Pro, the lights have now switched to the back or on the rear instead of the front. And we could go ahead and turn it on. See if the battery's charged in the sky at all.
Not a chance.
Nope, battery's totally dead. They're all dead.
That's like.
Let's have a wee look, mate.
If it is, we gonna fly it.
Booyah. And look, they're white this time.